In this video, we're going to show you how to input any grades that you repeated for a better grade or that you earned academic renewal for in quadrant number 2, academic history. So if we first look at a transcript as an example, you'll see that any grade that was repeated for a better grade is indicated by this R symbol here. So anytime we have that R symbol, you are going to input it into the application as an RP that you see listed on here. So in this case, Math 8, originally the student received, as you'll see here, an F grade. But then they went on later on to receive a B. So how you would indicate this in the CSU application is you would put in RP, that semester in which they received that R notation, and then that semester in which they repeated it, the new grade is the one here. And that is so that only the B is the one that will be factored into the GPA. The same is true for any academic renewal that you may have received. So again, if we look at this transcript, you'll see that there were several classes in which this student received academic renewal. And we know that based on this @ symbol next to these classes here. So any classes that have that @ symbol should be inputted into the application with an AR. So you will see that instead of the original grade, they say AR. Okay, so that's really all there is to it. If you see that R symbol next to your class, you want to list it as an RP. If you see that @ symbol, you want to put it in as AR. Please note that if you previously received a D or a fail in a class, but you are currently retaking it or plan to retake it next semester, you cannot list that previous grade as an RP because you have not finished repeating the class yet. So for an example, if you took Psych 1 previously and earned an F in it, but you are now retaking it, because again, you have not received a grade, you will have to put that F. So please make sure you are not listing that as an RP grade.